Okay, we got a DieHard 1150 battery charger, platinum. It's an old guy. He's probably 15 years old. It's one of the first, well, it's the first one I bought. I like it because it's real easy to use. It's got knobs and flip switches. It's not all that digital stuff, so it's real easy to use. So I bought a new battery for it because it's not charging. So battery looks like it's easy to put in. It's just this one and this one. So I guess that one's red. So that would be the plus. Oh yeah, it's marked here. Plus sign, minus sign. I bought a battery. I think I bought it off. I bought a battery. I think I bought it off Amazon. I'm not sure. Amazon or eBay. I think it's not a DieHard battery, it's an off-brand. But on the DieHard website, I think this is the one they listed as what they recommended. So there's this number. There's a number on here too. Let's see if it's the same number. No, it's not the same number. Well, hopefully it'll work. So the hard part is getting these out. These nut and bolts here, they're awful close together. That one's going to be too big. It's a nut and bolt. Okay, so these are number 8s. There's a number 8 here. And then on this one it's 5/16. Hardest part is just getting in there to just get the It only took me 2 years to get around to this. I think I bought the battery a year or 2 ago.
Yeah, I hope it's still good.
Yeah. This one here, the cable is right up against it. I think they do that on purpose, just so you can't get it out. Grab a hammer.
Well, that won't help if you gotta unscrew it.
Well, I can't get this, I can't get it in there.
Will that work?
Yeah.
Well, they didn't make it easy.
So on the positive, there's 2. On the ground, there's actually 3 items here. Here, if you want to do something, you could stand here and hold this, and I'll see if I can pull the battery up. Just hold down on this. Okay, push down.
It's getting stuck on these things.
Okay. Tight fit.
Yeah, it gets stuck on the wires just sticking out.
Okay, now hold it back there.
I thought that one was sticking out here.
Okay, got it. Now it's a matter of putting in the screws and not losing them down inside.
Well, you put some glue on your fingers.
Yeah. There's one. Okay, and on this side there's actually 3. One must be a ground or something. Ooh,
Oh.
it sparked.
Oh, yeah. How come there's 3? Where are you supposed to put the other 2? Hmm?
Well, they all go on there.
Well, I guess I can't help it. There's no room for it to
So you don't
help.
want to get shocked.
No, there's no room to stick your fingers in there.
This ain't gonna be easy getting that in there without losing it.
I didn't hear it. So it wouldn't charge up anymore.
No, it's been bad for a couple of years. I got 3 new ones downstairs.
Oh my God, that's heavy.
Yeah, it is.
What do they got in there? Like a brick.
find the charger for it. It's been so long since I've seen it. Took the back plate off years ago. It's down there on the tool bench somewhere. The newer ones, you just plug an extension cord in to charge them. This one's got a fancy charger. It's got a little slot here you slide a thing into. This won't. This won't. Not enough room to turn it. Let's see if it's charged. Well, it says 80%. See how there it says 80%. So the battery should still be charged. Okay, see ya. Bye. There's the battery that come out of it. SCH12-22-3. There's a number up here. 110-425-1008. The other one worked great. I went out, jumped the truck, started right up. After I jumped the truck, the percentage on the charger read 100%. So it went from 80 to 100%. Don't understand that one, but that's what happened. Okay, see ya. Bye.